Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. I got a brand new 2020 Arctic Fox. The model is a 275L. Come on inside here and let's take a peek. This is one of our Northwood products built out of Grande, Oregon. So 4 seasons trailer. It's very well built quality wise. So coming inside here, you've got ceiling fan, fantastic fan. You've got speakers above us, air conditioners, all LED lights. So you got your Thomas Paine furniture right here, little recliners. You got your table and chairs, 4 table and chairs. Actually, under this table, there's a compartment here to put some goodies, snacks, and whatever. Pantry in the back. This is a rear kitchen model. So you've got a nice pantry back there. You got your nice double sink back here. Stainless steel, a lot of room, extended for the sink faucet. Got a nice cabinets above us here, big counter space. You got the new big Furrion 3-burner, more BTUs glass oven door. You've got a Furrion microwave, convection microwave. More cabinets there. You've got your Norcold refrigerator freezer right there. Shelving also above us here. You got your TV, built-in stereo system, DVD player. Here's your control panel for your slides, all your controls right here for check your sewer water and all that good stuff right there. Another little hanging closet here to hang your, and that's actually pulls out, so you can pull it out, hang some coats on there. It's kind of cool. Right there, you got some light switches here. Your TV there is on a swivel bracket, so you can watch TV from all directions. Here's your, these come with a solar charger already on the roof, little 10 amp solar charger to kind of keep your batteries up for you. Fantastic fan for remote control there. So you walk up into the bedroom here. You've got a nice queen size walk around bed with storage underneath. Cabinets on both sides. You got ceiling fan here, and you got a fantastic fan also that has a control here for remote. But you got a nice, on each side, place for plugs. You got your USB ports to charge your phones. I mean, you got a place for your CPAP machine, you know, so pretty cool there. A lot of people like that. So, and on this side, you've got your closet. Big closet right there on this little slide right here. This has 2 slides. This slide in the closet and then the main living room. Here's your nice big corner bathroom, porcelain toilet, got a little lighted mirror cabinet. Here's your sink here, toilet's behind the door here, but nice big shower. I mean, you got enough room in these big corner showers. Get inside, you got a big tall guy can fit in there, so plenty of room there. Awesome unit, like I said, built out of Grande, Oregon. One of our best-selling products. You go out here, this got a nice big grab handle coming out the door. So this has got the new solid step, which a lot of people like. Lightweight, it just folds up into the door. So, but a lot more solid than those old steps they used to have. So above us we have outdoor lighting, we have outdoor speakers, electric awning, and actually almost full big awning. It's got an LED strip underneath. You've got storage into there. Here's your dual propane tanks right there. In the front here is where your batteries go. You've got a fiberglass cap with lighting, LED strips there. Here's the bedroom slide. You got your batteries go in this compartment right here. Dual batteries. These are pre-wired for solar. Like if you want to do a little solar panel on the ground, you can. Or a lot of guys do solar on the roof. So here's your big compartment. You can go through both ways. But this has auto leveling jacks. The control panel's right here. Told you how to do it. So it'll auto level itself, or you can manually do it, which is nice. Here's your for your battery disconnect and your hook your water up. Cable and everything goes right from the bottom up there. Underneath here is where you hook for your sewer. So you got to have both hands to do that. Okay. So back in the back here, you've got a ladder to go up on the roof. You got your power cord. pre-wired for backup camera. So this has a cap on the rear. Like I said, popular units. We sell a lot of them. They're one of the least what we have worked on in the shop. So if you're looking for a good unit that's 4 seasons, thermal pane windows, I mean, just an awesome unit, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.